Hola, mis artistas más increíbles. That means, hello, my most amazing artists. Today we're going to be working on our amazing Mexican art. I'm so excited. So we are going to be doing 2 grade levels with this video. I'm going to be talking to kindergartners for their project, and I'm also talking to first graders for this project. So if you're a big first grader, know that you are amazing and awesome, and I'm talking to you. And if you are a kindergartner who's almost ready for first grade, I'm talking to you as well. Here's what we're going to be using today. We are going to be working with these really cool crayons, but they're not waxy crayons like normal. These are oil pastel crayons, and they are so soft and so smooth. They are fun to color with and to draw with. They are really, really quite excellent. So let's take a look at what we're working on today. First, I'm going to show you the first grade sombrero, and then we're going to take a look at our kindergarten. And the kindergarten is a sarapa, okay? So here, let's go ahead and head on down. Ta-da! So here is our first grade sombrero. Now, in art yesterday, we worked on using paint to paint lines. And we did different kinds of lines going horizontally. I even did some different colors and painted in different areas. The only thing that was different on mine is that I did paint a line of circles. So it looks like it might just be circles, but it's actually supposed to be in a line. Alrighty. So if you didn't finish your sombrero, do know, please, that on Friday we will be doing a little bit more painting if we need to, okay? So we're going to get out our oil pastels. You should be sharing one of these with a partner. Red and purple will share, and green and yellow will share. Now these are almost brand new, so we want to treat them really, really good. We're going to be adding some additional, that means more, lines to our artwork here. So I'm just going to start with this really beautiful yellow. And I'm going to go through and put a dashed line in here. There we go. So nice. I think I'm going to put one up in here too. But this one I'm going to do a curly. It's a lot easier to make curled lines with a oil pastel than it would be to do it with a paintbrush. I don't know about you, but I felt like yesterday our paintbrushes were pretty thick. And so they were a little hard to maneuver in those little spots. I'm going to add some white in here. I'm going to line up some triangles. 1, 2, 3, and one more over here. 4. I lined up some triangles there. What else could I add? I think I'm going to try out a red, and I'll put a red up here. So if you're thinking about what colors you choose to use, I did white on blue. White is a bright color and blue is a dark color. So it really popped. Let's see if this red works. Oh yeah, and the yellow. Red is a darker color and yellow is a lighter color, so it definitely pops. I don't know if you can see that right on there. Very good. The yellow was a little bit light colored for that red down here. I wonder why it didn't show up. Maybe I should try to go over it a little bit with a little bit green. Let's see how that works. A little bit, not a big deal. I'm not gonna do any more on that one. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some more lines. We're going to have a fantastic time today adding lines to make our artwork really, really pop. Remember, our lines for our sombrero are going to be going horizontally. They go from one side to the other. not from the top to the bottom. Not that way. One side to the other. There we go. Okay, well, I'm gonna keep working on this one tonight, and I'll have this one ready for you to look at tomorrow. Alrighty. And then I'm coming to my kindergarten serape. Here we go. Remember, it's like a poncho. So we're going to do the exact same thing on our kindergarten serape using our oil pastels. Purple and red will share. And we're going to have green and yellow share. Keep it going all the way across your serape. Mexican art, Mexican clothing, materials oftentimes use very bright colors. So we'll want to stick with colors that are really bright and really capture our eye. Okay? Maybe I'll make a line up here of circles. You don't need to add a whole bunch just to make it look like you did a lot of lines. We want to add lines and patterns going across horizontally from side to side that look nice, okay? So do your very best. You want to fill it in as much as you can. I think I'm going to get that purple out again. And do another zigzag here. We want our serape to look really cool. So don't rush, take your time, okay? I'll finish this one tonight and it'll be hanging up for you to see tomorrow in class. Okay, my kindergarten and first grade friends, when you are all the way done with your sombrero and your serape, you're going to put this in your team's folder to save it for tomorrow. We're going to add some fun things to it tomorrow too. I've got some puff balls and some string, and we're gonna make some fringe for some of our little ponchos. So make sure you put it in your art folder. Got it? See you tomorrow, and please remember to treat your guest teacher and your oil pastels like gold. Take care. Bye.